Wouldn't it be awesome if every day were a good hair day? Awakening to luscious locks may sound like a dream, but you can achieve it in your sleep. How? Well, that's simple. Today's video will discuss 5 cool tricks that can give you gorgeous hair overnight. If you are new to Remedies 1 channel, please take a moment to subscribe this channel and tap the bell icon so that you will get notified when I publish new videos daily. 1. Sleep with your hair up. Loose hair gets tangled and frizzed up easily, creating a bird's nest every morning. Tossing and turning creates knots and tangles, resulting in more stress to your hair while brushing it out. It's better to tie a loose bun, ponytail, or plait that doesn't add pressure to your scalp. 2. Condition your hair overnight. Use a fortifying mask or leave-in conditioner in the night and wake up to bouncy, nourished mane. Make sure your strands are conditioned well. Leave-in conditioners penetrate deep into the hair cuticles and heal them completely. 3. Regular oiling. Our grannies always swore by it, and it reflected in their lustrous and well-kept tresses. Well, there's a lot of truth behind the belief that regular oiling can make your locks stronger and help them grow faster. Use your fingertips to gently stimulate your scalp. This will enhance the blood flow, leading to a healthy growth pattern, dispersing natural and moisturizing oils throughout the hair. Coconut oil is, hands down, considered one of the best solutions for nourishing hair. The oil is rich in proteins that help in improving hair strength and scalp health. Slather your hair with it and wake up to a glossy mane. 4. Eat the frizz. Can't handle that unruly frizz? Yep, you are missing that one step before hitting your bed. In the night, apply a good soothing, shine serum to your hair till the ends, and then twist it into a loose bun. Release your bun in the morning and you'll be left with hair that is frizz-free and shining. A smooth and silky pillow turns out to be healthy both for the hair and skin. 5. Cut the heat. If you are planning to reach for heating tools in the morning, you can cut down your time on that. As suggested by stylists, washing your hair the night before and then combing it gently with a wide tooth comb can resist you from using the dryer in the morning, also cutting down the amount of heat that you're using on your hair. By morning, your hair will be dried and softer. Have you ever tried these tips to make your hair gorgeous overnight? Let me know in our comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.